It is the program that ASUS business team created to help schools and learning institutions in the modernization of their IT facilities, help learners and educators in the transformation of IT education, and in the enhancement of teaching tools.
I personally am very much excited for this partnership. This not only signifies the start of a new journey between ASUS and OLOPSC College, but this also shows the commitment of providing our teachers better access to digital technologies, especially during this pandemic.
With the heavy shift to digital technologies in the teaching and learning process, OLOPSC College remains committed to its mission of providing quality education to its clientele by ensuring that we have the right plans and resources in place, and of course, strong partners who are willing to journey with us in the pursuit of service excellence in education.